Good day guys, still Drone PH. We have here another test and review. So this is the Pavo 20 Pro, the upper light version. So we are installing the BT and the BE122 GPS. So we will try and test if how accurate this GPS with our drone or the shape, just in case we have the RX loss. So watch until the end. We have a little bit tutorial on how I set on the laptop. Okay. So I just soldered the 4 wires, the TXRX, ground, and the 5 volts, okay, on the AEU board. And I don't use the 3D print on the GPS. I just put between the canopy and the flywheel case with the upper light. So watch until then guys, we will install and we will try to fly outside, okay, to test the GPS rescue. Let's go. How to install the GPS? Just pretty simple. Just solder the TXRX, ground, and the 5 volt. So I will put in the screen. Just solder the 4 wires. Okay. So after soldering guys, you can set and go to your laptop on the Betaflight settings. Okay, open your Betaflight settings. Then just select the port. Go to port. Then on the UIRT1 at the sensor input. So just put the GPS, then save and reboot. You can use also the UIRT6 if you want. Then connect again. Then go to configuration. Double check the GPS if on or not. If not on, just put it on. Okay, so you still see the red light on the GPS. So it's not yet connected. Then put the oblocks. Then auto detect. Then save and reboot. Okay, so wait until I think 15 to 20 seconds, I think. You can go outside or you can go near at your window so that it's fast to detect the satellite, okay? You wait until 7 to 8, the satellite that have been reached. So it's still on red. So you still wait about 7 or 8 satellite. Okay, 7, 5. So 5. Okay, so it's true guys, it's green, it means it's okay now. Okay, so 6, 7, 8, okay. So it's already 6 guys or 7 satellite. You can save and reboot. Then connect all again. Then go to fill shape. Then you can set your throttle to 1.8 or 2000. Then arm. You can set also. You can follow my settings guys if you want. Okay, then you can pick the GPS rescue. Jump to GPS rescue, okay? Before it's dropped, but you can set it on the GPS rescue. You can put the 8 satellite if you want or 7. Then you can modify the number guys if you want about the meters or altitude, okay? Then save and reboot. Okay, so next thing that we do, you can go to OSD. You can set your goggles. You can on the satellite info, okay? The satellite, the GPS speed, the GPS home distance, then save. Okay, so that's it. Then you can set your mode, okay, on your controller. So that's it guys, very simple. Then you can good to go. So let's go and try outside. Okay, so finally we are installed the GPS okay, in our Pavo 20 Pro. So no worry about the RX loss. Either we are going to a long range, okay. So we will try it in this place. I am flying about 200 meters and we will try the GPS rescue. So let's go. Okay, so as we see guys, it's very fast to detect the satellite. About 5 seconds, okay. And 5 satellite. I recommended this type of GPS. I will include in this description guys. So let's go guys and test. Let's arm. Let's go. Okay, so let's try the rescue mode.
GPS on.
Wow, that's great. Okay, so our Fabo 20 Pro is arrived. It's pretty nice, okay? Accurate 100% with the GPS rescue mode, okay? So better install the GPS guys if you want to be safe in your drone. Okay, so that's it. Around 2 meters distance with the home point, okay? So not bad. So maybe I will install all my drone with this kind of GPS, okay? Very small but very accurate. So that's only guys. Till next time again for another video. So please do subscribe to my channel for more videos and tutorial, okay? So thank you. Till next time and happy flying everyone. Till next time.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gotta catch another fight. The apple bottom make 'em wanna bite. I just wanna have a good night. I just wanna have a good night. Hold up. Don't know, now you know. If you broke,
Put your hands up. Feel the beat